Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. You know, change is the only constant in life, and that applies to our Instagram profiles too. We've all got those cringeworthy photos buried deep in our feeds, right? But fear not, because Instagram has a solution: archiving posts. Archiving allows you to hide posts from your profile without deleting them forever. Whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, you can easily archive your posts with just a few simple steps. First, log into your Instagram account and navigate to your profile. Tap on the three lines icon, then go to your activity and select Posts. From there, choose the posts you want to archive and hit Archive. Confirm your action and voila! Your posts are safely tucked away. But what if you want to bring those memories back? Just head to your profile, go to Archive, select the post you want to unarchive and hit Show on Profile. It's that easy. Now, you might be wondering where your archived posts go. Well, they're stored in a folder called Archive, visible only to you. You can access them anytime and restore them to your profile with no restrictions. But hey, what if you can't see your archived posts? It could be due to poor internet, Instagram glitches, or even content policy violations. And there you have it, a complete guide to archiving and unarchiving your Instagram posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more social media tips. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the content, and remember, embrace the change, even on your Instagram feed. See you in the next video. Peace out.